You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers.
Okay, folks, we're here at A&W, and my brother is doing some ordering. He's not real comfortable doing it.
What's the name for it?
Jack.
It's $37.85 where you can cash the card. Is there anyone behind you that needs to order?
No, that's it. We're in the patio over here.
Okay,
The dining.
All right, thanks.
We're in the dining room.
What a...
Take a seat. Yeah, how about we sit here, okay?
Got a nice scenic view. See if we can get this at one of them fancy restaurants.
Yeah, I know. Why, you want to sit out there with the mosquitoes?
You got mosquitoes there?
All right. So this is my brother Jeffrey, also known as Ted Nugent. He does a Ted Nugent tribute. Pretty popular. You would never know it looking at him, but he does have the scruffy beard.
And when I get you, I go to Just for Men. Get that look I need.
Just to get that color you need. Yeah, so we came in here. I haven't been at A&W in years, and we come in here and you got to talk to a box, even inside. I thought that was just for the drive-in area. It's kind of crazy, but it works. And my brother's flipping the bill here.
He is.
Now, little lady has gone outside. she's walking down there to see what this patio area is all about. She doesn't really want to, I know she doesn't want to get bit by mosquitoes, but yeah, she's waving to y'all. And yeah, we got some running water here, probably from the sewage treatment facility, I don't know. Yeah, Ortonville's a pretty cool town. We went fishing today. How many fish did you catch? 0. What did I catch? 3 of them or 4 of them? 3.
Was that,
3 or 4. It was 4. Okay, enough. Story's over.
That was the bait.
Yeah, this place is kind of cool. It's like we're in a boathouse or something like that, huh? Wouldn't you say? Yeah.
I think that if the fish is smaller than your hook,
Well,
then
no, my fish. Anyhow, let's look at this machine here. Now,
I would like to play that. Give me $1.
would you want one of those at your age?
Not for me, but as a gift.
How much do you have to pay to catch one of those things?
To catch one, they're not like bears. They're stuff. Let's see.
Little lady's just finally come back in. She's out there malingering out there and lollygagging, skylarking, as we said in the Navy. But yeah, got another customer outside there. She's seen me with a camera. She don't want to come in here. Tough guy extraordinaire. So we go to A&W root beer place. I don't even call it that anymore, do they? They just call it A&W All American Food. But we come here and we didn't order any root beer. Did you order root beer, Jeffrey? Did you
want root beer?
Did you order root beer?
I just ordered Pepsi.
We all ordered Pepsi, but yeah, none of us ordered root beer, and all 3 of us got the French onion double cheeseburger. And we don't know if there's going to be any dessert, but if there's room in the stomach, it might happen. So for the 3 of us, got these, as I mentioned, French onion double cheeseburgers, 3 French fries. I got the large beverage, and the little lady and my brother got the regular. Brother's out, he's in the restroom washing his hands. I just washed my hands. The little lady just washed her hands, and Now it's time to pray. What the heck is going on here? Here at the A&W hamburger place. That's crazy. I just unveiled this double French onion cheeseburger, and yeah, right off the bat you can smell the onions. Caramelized onions, looks like mayo on there. You get the same thing. Oh, you got some. Oh, okay. Yeah, the fries. Not bad.
Although it's funny, they pack about as much at the same time.
Yeah. Here we go.
Fries are good.
To hell with the fries, I'm trying the burger. Yeah, burger's good. Got a little, like a French onion soup. It's a little salty. Not crazy, but I just took one bite and I can say right now. Couldn't eat more than one of these. It's so rich in that French onion flavor. Probably couldn't eat more than one. All right, so I ate it all, except for a couple fries or whatever, a few fries. It was good, but a little bit too salty. Little Liddy concurred with what I said. What do you say?
Yeah.
He's just happy to be eating. Heck, he paid for it.
It tastes like, well, the burger was French onion.
Yeah.
And it was salty.
And a little salty
But
French onion.
soup is
Yeah,
salty,
all right.
so it was good.
So, yeah, it's fun. It's a good time here. Till next time.